To change theme on Poco F8 Ultra, start by opening settings. Next you have to scroll down and navigate for personalization options, and you have to go into the themes. Now as you can see, we can find here a lot of themes. Here we can find popular this month, but if you want to search for some specific categories, you can just go over here, just click on this, and basically pick any category that you want. So let's get, for example, the space one. Looks like that. And if you want to get this kind of the wallpaper, I mean this theme, you have to just go for this, and we have to click to purchase this one, or we can unlock by watching some videos. And here we can also find the preview, how it looks. And if you want to get like free themes, if you don't want to pay for them, you can also find this information here that they are free and we don't have to pay for them. So if I want to get, for example, this kind of the theme, I have to go for it. I have to click download. Now I have to wait for this downloading process, and even I can customize it. So if I don't like icons, I can actually get rid of them. And now I can click apply to get this theme on my phone.